So, time to think about some other gearing. So as it sits with these dual centrifugal clutches, it tends to hit pretty hard when the clutches engage. And also, it's a little bit difficult to shift gears. Kind of got a RPM match as you're hitting the foot lever. It's geared way too low, so the max speed is very low. So I'm gonna see if I can retrofit the manual clutch off the original 600 CBR engine onto this input shaft of the transmission. I'm gonna take a peek at the manual clutch and see what I can do. So I've machined the crankshaft gear to fit into this pillow block. So I'm gonna mount this somewhere in here so it'll spin this way and turn the clutch gear drive deal the other way. Then I will be welding a sprocket onto that to then go to the engine. So let's make that. So I've welded this plate on here. This is where I'm going to mount my new hub. So let's see how it fits. Make sure I can actually reach the grease fitting here. Cool. Looks like it fits pretty good. So got that all built there. Looks pretty good. Alternator mounted. See my brackets there. So next part. Got my clutch cable here. And I'm thinking about trying to salvage this off the old engine to actuate the clutch here. So build me something to kind of mount there, and it would make that pretty easy. So I got this plate on here and I'm welding this mesh on there to secure that on there. So the old Honda just keeps on giving. All right, let's get it welded up. So, worked out pretty nice. Well, that was sort of a success. So the clutch seems to be working fine, but I went a little bit too high on the gearing, so first gear is crazy tall. So I think I need to put a smaller sprocket up front and before I actually go out on the road with it, but getting closer anyways. Guys, keep tinkering.